spent in a miserable way.
U.S. News Prosecution in El Chapo trial begins summation with tale of murder in the mountains, car. A federal prosecutor, in her summation at the trial of Mexican drug lord El Chapo, opened with the chilling tale of a cold-blooded execution in the mountains of Sinaloa. Almost as if spinning a macabre story around a campfire, Assistant U.S. Attorney Andrea Goldberg recounted Wednesday for a Brooklyn jury how defendant Joaquin Guzman had casually killed a man who dared not bend to his will. Two men, beaten almost to death but still breathing, she said, describing the scene. The defendant, El Chapo, cursed him and then shot him. When the defendant, the gruesome and graphic description launched the final stages of the long-awaited, 11-week federal trial of the accused head of the multi-billion-dollar Sinaloa drug cartel. The defendant Guzman, 61, faces up to life imprisonment if convicted of the top charges in the indictment accusing him as the bloodthirsty boss of the massive illegal business. Officials have linked the prosecution, before summations began, rolled a cart full of weapons into the courtroom in mute testimony to the drug lord's reputed firepower.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.